Welcome. We are here today with Brad from ZYNOC, and he's going to tell you a little bit about some of the projects that he's involved in with sustainability, including solar panels, hempcrete, and a documentary featuring Beaver Island. The idea behind this is that Beaver Island is quite sustainable and self-sustained. They're looking for a little boost of support, but also we're pitching the question, why not try some of these practices with Flint? So I'll turn it over to Brad. Thanks for being here with us, Brad.
Okay, thank you. All right. Okay. Well, the idea is that we've reached a point where everybody pretty much around the world knows that our government's not going to do anything about Flint. I mean, it's pretty much a given at this point that they don't care. Meanwhile, people are suffering and dealing with, they have bad water. And this isn't just Flint. Most of the cities in the United States have got antiquated plumbing situations. So, I put to the task, well, if they're not going to do it, why aren't they doing it? And it occurred to me, well, nobody's presented a plan. Every time I see a politician get on stage, I say, well, we want to run for governor or whatever. What's the plan? What are you going to do to fix the problem? Because if there's a plan that's viable, then people will get behind it. So I'm putting it to you that we've put a plan together. We have people that can purify water. Even the wastewater treatment coming out of a septic tank can come out very simply with a bacterial-based system to eat all the crap. And you can have clean water coming out of your septic tank before it even goes into the drain field, so you're not contaminating groundwater. We can make self-contained systems in a village outside of Flint, and a piece of property that we've already kind of got designated, a few of them now. And we make self-sustaining villages made with hempcrete building materials. Hempcrete, by the way, is LEED certified as a good building material. In fact, it's platinum LEED certified because of the fact that it absorbs more carbon from the atmosphere than it takes to turn it into a building material. So basically you're doing a reverse of what most of the general manufactured products do today. Greenhouse technology can all be incorporated, closed-looped ecosystems in this village that we put together. And the plan is basically we take everybody that in a certain neighborhood in Flint that needs to have it repaired, we move them into this village. Once they're in this village, they learn how the system works. They learn how the whole system is a training camp basically for a self-sustaining, clean living city where everybody grows their own food and it's all community driven. They take that and they move it back into the neighborhood they're already living in Flint. With the renewable energy technology, they now can operate the machinery, and they get the plumbers involved and whatever, and we dig up the streets and we fix this darn city, one neighborhood at a time. After we have that going, now those people can go teach the next bunch of people. We put all of it out on the internet and we show the rest of the world how to fix a city as messed up as Flint. Beaver Island has got people that are already self-sustained on that island. There's a school that's abandoned there that is perfect for an environment to turn into a renewable energy school. The different technologies we can apply there, we can use as a training session also for the people in Flint that we're going to be training there. Once that happens, it snowballs and everybody starts doing it. In the next 50 years, all the cities have got new complete infrastructures. And a long story short, that's what we're going to be doing. So, yeah, I've got slides of the different hempcrete technologies that we will play later, and go into much more detail, but the idea is that you get a general idea of what the plan is. If you've got a better plan, then by all means speak up. But at least this is a approach to solving the environmental problems with Flint, and we're going to be addressing the pollution that the factories of our old have done to the ground by using some of the industrial hemp technology to actually clean the soil. So yeah, there's a lot to this. This is going to take everybody in the state to do it. This is going to be everybody having to go, yes, we are going to fix our state and show the world how to do it. Because the technology we can do here can be applied to places in Indonesia, all the third world countries that are suffering. once you have free energy, it's cheap and easy to make more free energy because you can use free energy to build it. You see, it's like the first guy that made the screw machine to make a screw, okay? It was the first one to make, but it could make duplicates of the exact same screw. Before that, they were all handmade. But once he could make that, then he could build more machines to make it faster. And it all snowballed into the Industrial Revolution we have today. But it all started with one screw machine. Or a sewing machine, you know. But anytime we get innovative that way, we're now in a place where we're going to innovate in a way we've never done before. Because we all have these wonderful little portable television studios and computers in our hand. Human evolution is now because this technology has never ever existed in human history before. The world can now talk to itself. And now we're going to make that change. So, hope y'all can jump on board and see this vision, and we can make this happen. Thank you for your time.